Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I'm down at my parents' house and my mom says, "Do you have a pressure washer?" And I said, "No, I don't." And she said, "Oh, I guess we'll have to hire somebody to come and do the bricks and the deck." And I said, "No, you don't have to do that because you might as well buy a pressure washer. You buy a pressure washer for less than you can pay a guy to come once and do it." So I went out shopping for them. And I have come back with the 1950 PSI pressure washer from Simoniz. I got this guy on sale for 200 Canadian dollars. And we're going to take it out and look at it and give it a go and do some work for my mom. Come on, let's have a look at it. All right. Alright, so we'll start by seeing how much put-togetherness it needs. Hopefully not very much. I expect that it's probably more of a pull it out of the box and get going kind of situation. Bag of bits. Probably clips on the side to hold things. It's got some kind of nozzle dealy in here. 3 different tip nozzles, color-coded. Find out about the rest of that later. Looks like it'll hold like a detergent for when you need to have soap involved. Got a manual that we're not going to bother with. And then, yeah, that looks like it's just going to be hose, gun, pressure washer, rest of gun. Yeah, it'll click in. Come on. Click in and lock that, probably. Come on. Click in and lock. Ah, it's a left turn. All right, gun. Unit. On, off. Water goes there. Okay. Let's just hook it up and start spraying it. Ah. Who needs manuals? Come on, we'll just hook it up and start spraying it. These are probably, oh, that's some kind of hanger, probably, to hang the hose or gun on, maybe. They look like they've got, oh, yeah. That's going to clip on there. Yep, there's one on the other side too. There's one on the other side too. Should be a third spot. Oh, down here. All right, those may be in the wrong place. I don't know what they're for, but they clip onto the side. We'll find out eventually. Does it matter which side goes which side? Probably not. Aha! Aha! It's got a holster. That's what those are. So those probably are the right spot. And then this side is the loop for the hose on one side, holster on the other side. In the bottom and then click in, maybe? Doesn't really click in. No, it doesn't click in. It should click in. Oh, if it goes all the way down, if you get the thing all the way in, then it sits nice in its little nook down there. All right, let's go spray. So first impressions and first sort of like hour of use, overall pretty happy with it. It is powerful enough for homeowner purposes. It's not as powerful as I had hoped, being like not the bottom level pressure washer. It's sort of like the second tier in Simoniz's lineup, and I was hoping for a little more give, but it's pretty good. It does what it needs to do. It's relatively portable. It's somewhere around 25 pounds or so, but it's wheeled. It's got its little hooks for all of the hoses and cords and things, and it's portable and movable and storable in its small compact frame. The red tip, this is the yellow one. The red one is probably going to live on there at all times, because I cannot imagine a situation where you would want to be pressure washing something with less power than that gives you. This one will not do most things, I don't think, for you. Maybe the windows of your house would be this guy. The white one certainly will never get used. The white one is the extra misty one. I cannot imagine what you would need that for. Why are you even using a pressure washer at that point? But in any case, I do wish that it had a dealie. A dealie, that's what it'll be. Well, like on the gas pumps, where you go up and then you click the little thing down and you can let it go and it keeps pumping. I wish the trigger on this had one of those. It's got the opposite of that. It's got a flip out so that you can't pull the trigger. But I want it to have the opposite of that. I want it to have a flip out so that you can pull the trigger and then flip it and leave it on, so that you're not having to like hold it the whole time. Because it's not probably great for your wrists to do a whole bunch of work while you're holding the thing shut, open, whatever. You know what I mean. Anyway, I wish it had one of those. Maybe that's not a thing that pressure washers have, but I feel like it should be. For 200 Canadian dollars, on sale, the regular price was $300, but on sale for 200 bucks, it has already done well over what my parents would have been able to hire somebody for $200 to do, and I'm only like an hour in. So good value already for my parents, and as long as it doesn't crap out in the next couple hours worth of using it, they're ahead of the game. So it's a win already, but I will do a follow-up video if for some reason it craps out in the first few hours of us owning it. But so far so good. It was the right decision to make. It's actually pretty satisfying to be like laser beaming moss off of a driveway. I'm just gonna say. That's it for this one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go back and laser beam some more moss. All right. probably always going to use it on the high-powered red adapter. That's the risk you get when you're filming outside, is traffic. So the red adapter is the high-powered one. It's the laser beam. It's probably the one that I'm going to use almost all of the time. That, you should have not made your car sound like that on purpose. Because it sounds like shit. But you did it on purpose. I'm gonna keep saying things that I feel like saying, and then I'll just like clippy clip, clip, snip, snip, jam together into something that doesn't suck, hopefully. It's blue. I can't imagine going less pressure than the red one gives you is going to do much in most circumstances. And there goes the car that sounds like shit on purpose. No, that's a different one. They also did the same thing. They made it sound like that on purpose. That's like a Monte Carlo or something. It shouldn't sound like that.